Hello everyone, as you know, today we are going to proceed our chapter class 7th recitation Bet in the Forest. And before this video, we have explained many passages, and I have already told the short summary of this chapter in Hindi also. So the students, if you find any kinds of problem related to the explanation or related to the short summary, you should contact to me. Okay, I think I explain in English, and few students are unable to understand the explanation in English which was provided by me. So you should inform me if you have got any kinds of problems. Then you should contact to me. I will try to solve your problems. Okay, guys. We will start. We will start the explanation from here. The vet got two ox. A deep cut across the Solan means here when the young tusker was arrested. Then the veterinary doctor started to treat the young tusker. A deep cut across the swollen part of the leg brought out the flow of black blood. Means as you can know that this was the swollen part and the young tusker's leg was injured, and the swollen part you can find that if a part of a creature or if your body's part is swollen, then you can find that blood is spotted, and the spotted blood color is known as is seen as black blood. Okay, so here there was no other visible injury on the elephant and nothing inside the wound. Means here carefully the veterinary doctor started to treat the young tusker. The animal must have got injured stumbling over a cut piece of bamboo on a saw stump. Means here veterinary doctor told that the young tusker was injured by stumbling or a saw stump. After the necessary treatment of its leg and a sort of long acting antibiotic, means here for the recovery of the injured part of young tusker, veterinary doctor gave antibiotic treatment, long antibiotic. We bandaged the leg, means the team of the forest team bandaged the leg more for visual effect than as part of treatment of its injury. We knew perfectly well that the bandage would not stay more than the moment once elephant was on its leg after being revived with the antidote. Means here the team of the forest department knew very well that the bandage will be removed when the young tusker will walk. Anyhow, they have to treat and they have to revive with the antidote. We expected the medicine to wear off any minute now, but the elephant showed no sign of waking up, as any healthy elephant should do a minute after receiving the antidote. Means here B refers to the team of the forest department. The forest department expected the medicine to wear off any minutes now, but according to the expectation, it did not happen. showed no sign of waking up. Means here when antidote was given, the veterinary doctor thought that elephant means young tusker should be in sense. For any healthy elephant should do a few minutes after receiving the antidote. Okay. Next thing is that the ever helpful villagers who were watching as from a distance brought bucket of water from a nearby stream to pour on the drugged animal to keep the body temperature down. Means here the young tusker was held by the tribal community, and you can say also the team of forest department was held by the tribal community. They also brought the back of disturbing news that the herd was back and was making quite a bit of comments just beyond the stream. The elephant, having made a couple of unsuccessful attempts at lifting its head. Okay, means then elephant came in couple and they expecting that the young tusker will lift his head. Bell fell back into a deep sleep, gently snoring. As responsible manager, B should have stayed around for the moment of its revival. Means until the young tusker will revive, they should not go from there. So writer is telling that the veterinary doctor did his responsibility. Unfortunately, there was not come salt tree strong enough to support a machan. Machan, you can also say that when on a tree a person make a bed or make a chair to sit or make a bed to rest, this kinds of creativity, this kinds of art is known as machan, which are the bed which are made on trees on which we could spend the night. Clearly, it would not be possible to spend the night on the ground with about 50 wild elephants just a couple of 100 meters away. Eager to come to the aid of their fallen company, the heat and our parched throats faced us to turn back. Reluctantly, we returned to the jeep and went back to the rest house. Okay, guys. And next thing is that the next day, to our relief, we found that the elephant had revived during the night and the herd had taken it away. So here this chapter is completed, and this chapter was written by Dhriti K. Lahari Chaudhary. Okay, and guys, this was a extract from Trunk Full of Tales, 70 years with the Indian. Okay, guys, so you should clear your concept of this chapter. If you find any kinds of problem, then you should contact to me.